Welcome back to another video on the Glam0 Effect Designs. I'm Yeda. For those of you that are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That way you won't miss out on no new videos. Be sure to hit that bell link and also follow me on Instagram at the Glam0 Effect Designs. Today, guys, I wanted to do a different type of video for you guys, but unfortunately, that was a fail. Like, I get a lot of inspiration from DIY YouTubers in this YouTube world, and I wanted to do something that was trending right now, but unfortunately, my dollar store, the one that I went to was a no-go. Like, they barely had anything today, and it was just like, what the world? So Michael's, they came through. I was able to get some items for you guys, and yeah, so this video is targeted towards my ladies. If you want to spice up your office desk, your dresser, your makeup room, however, this project is for you. Grab your tools, grab your marble contact paper, and let's get started. Alright guys, so for this project you're going to need your wooden tray, some E6000 glue, I had an X-Acto knife, your hardware that you're going to use for your handles, some scissors, and your marble contact paper. So from here, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take that plastic off of the wooden tray that you purchased from the store. And once you have the plastic out, go ahead and lay it out on the table. Take your marble contact paper, that way you can measure out how much paper you will need to cover the tray. From here, you want to grab your scissors, go ahead and cut across the contact paper. And after you have cut out the contact paper, you want to go ahead and peel the backing off. That way you can stick it to the piece of wood. And you can grab like a credit card or ID, however you want to do it, to smooth out any of the air bubbles. I went ahead and did it with my hands, but you definitely can use a credit card. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and flip the tray over. I went ahead and folded in the sides first, especially since those were the smaller edges. Go ahead and smooth it out with your finger or again with the card. The cutting does not have to be straight. Clearly, as you can see, one side is not as straight as the other. Take your scissors for the sides, go ahead and cut across. That way you can fold those in. And what I did was took from the end of the marble contact paper, I went ahead and made a little slit. That way it'll be easier to fold in without it being too bulky on the ends. So go ahead and fold that over. Side pieces that you folded first. And you can always go back and clean up your sides later if you have too much contact paper on the ends. Go ahead and repeat the same step on the opposite side. Cut across. Make a little slit. And then fold in the sides. Like I said before, you can always go back and clean up the sides. Be sure to use your thumb or any sort of credit card again just to smooth down those edges and get all of those air bubbles out. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and flip the tray back over, and it's now time to add the hardware. So as you can see, I went ahead and took my ruler and I grabbed a pen. You can grab a pencil, either or. You're just going to make a small mark just where you want the handles to be placed. So I made sure that they were about 1 inch from the ends, as you can see what I'm doing now. And then from the sides, I made sure they was about a little over 2 inches or so. And before I went ahead and put the glue on it, I just wanted to go back and measure it once more time. Once you've done that, go ahead and mark your sections that you're going to be placing the hardware on. And then you want to take your glue and start to apply to the ends. So I went ahead and took that 6,000 glue and put a generous amount on each end of the piece of hardware. And I just line them up with the marks that I previously made with that pen. Now, of course, once you press it down, the glue will spread just a little bit, but that's fine. You can always go back and clean that up. So go ahead and apply the E6000 glue to the opposite side and do the same thing. And you want to let that sit for about a couple hours or so. And once you've done that, you got yourself a pretty marble tray. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This super simple and easy marble tray that you can put in either your bedroom, your bathroom, or even on your office desk. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. All of the items are linked in the description box, so that's where you can find those. Be sure to use coupons wherever you go if they are available. Again, those hardwares that I got were from Menards. The ones that I wanted were $5.99. I'm like, nope, not at all. I'm not paying $5.99 for one. I'm gonna get something different. So those were like $1.49, I want to say. So yeah, again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.